Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermark. And here I've already opened the TikTok apps, and if you download a TikTok video directly from the TikTok app by clicking on the share button, then click on the save video. So the watermark will be there on the video. Let me show you. So this is how the video will look like. There will be a watermark at the side of the video, and how you can remove that, you can actually just use any editing a video editings that you want, or you can also use a third party TikTok watermark remover. You can search for it on the app store. You can, for example, you can use the Snaptik apps or the download video no watermark for TikTok. There are lots of options that you can select it, and you can also use video editing like CapCut or VM video editor, and in this case I'm going to use the CapCut. Here you can just tap on new project on CapCut and add the video, the TikTok video that you save. And after that, here you can just click on the video and zoom it in. Can see that the watermark will not be there, but TikTok watermark will usually move from the left side to the right side, and see, you can see there will be no watermark again now. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.